If you want to add fingerprint on the Motorola Moto G56, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here we need to scroll down in order to find security and privacy, and then go to device unlock. If you have a screen lock set up, then you can go to fingerprint in order to scan your finger. If you don't have the screen lock enabled yet, then you will have to do that first. So let's enter the screen lock password and proceed, and then we can press setup over here, and there we go. Now you should be able to touch the power button because the sensor is located on the power button. So let me quickly do that. There we go. So now we have to just simply touch and lift our finger. So just keep doing that, just keep touching and then keep lifting. Try to do that from every angle possible so that in the future there is no issue with unlocking the device, for example. If something goes wrong, of course we have this prompt that, for example, the fingerprint placement was incorrect. And just keep doing that until this whole icon in the middle turns blue. There we go. And soon we should be done. There we go. Our fingerprint has been added, so now we can either add another fingerprint if you want to, or you can just press done in the bottom left corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.